I'll be timing out the storms and when you can expect 90-degree temperatures to return in a few minutes. Stay with us. Well, the snow is starting to accumulate here in northwest Indiana, which could mean the roads could get a bit slippery. So if you are planning to go outside of the house, you're going to want to make sure that you bundle up and also clean off your car. You don't want low visibility while you are driving, or it could be unsafe for you and the rest of the people on the road.
It depends how low that temperature gets. Right now it looks like we're only going to be around 40, but if we get towards the transition line of around 32 degrees, there could be a few flurries, but nothing will be sticking to the ground or accumulating.
Perfect. Well, we'll watch for that in your later updates. Thank you very much.
Temperature is increasing. We're going to have some rain on the way. Let me time this out for you. Starting at around 4 or 5 p.m. tomorrow, we see this band of rain that starts to move through. A few of us could be getting some thunderstorms or showers, but mostly to the south of us is where they will be seeing some heavier showers as well.
We've got some flatter trails out there at the state park.
Great. Do a lot of people come in fall, or is it more of a summer event? Because right now it's going to be getting warmer out. Now if we fast forward a few days to Thursday evening, Friday morning, it's the Perseid meteor shower. Now this one is set to be especially spectacular as the meteors could peak at 150 to 200 per hour. But if we look at the temperature high for today, we have 61, and now that is about 10 degrees above average for this time of year. So we are still seeing those above average temperatures for northwest Indiana. But tonight we are going to stay dry. We have our low temperature of 55. There's a chance of patchy fog later in the evening, even into the early morning hours. Right here, though, is early Friday morning. If we get a change of wind direction, if the winds are coming from the north over Lake Michigan, we could see a few lake effect showers. Happy Saturday to you, Grand Rapids. Today we hit a beautiful 60 degrees. As we look outside here, we see the traffic moving. People are enjoying the nice weather outside today.
What kind of temperatures do you think they can expect?
We are going to have temperatures in the 60s, maybe even upper 60s, and lots of sunshine. Could see a few clouds, but besides that, gorgeous weather for this weekend if you're headed to the Polish Festival. We do have a little bit of cloud cover as we zoom in closer to home, but pretty much clear skies for the rest of today. Today was a fairly gloomy day at Valparaiso University's campus. If we take a look at our sky cam, we still see some clouds overhead. I'll let you know when the sun returns later in my forecast. In order for our leaves to change colors in these more gorgeous yellows, we need the temperatures to dip down into the 30s and 40s. We need those cooler temperatures and a frost. Tomorrow, throughout the day, we have this rain that just kind of circles around and lingers over the Valpo area. Definitely going to feel a lot more like summer on Wednesday. Those conditions are going to be a lot hotter than we are used to. I'm here at the Central Park Plaza ice skating rink in the heart of downtown Valparaiso. And opening day starts on Monday. If you want to come out, we're going to have temperatures in the upper 50s. It does seem a bit warm if you do want to go ice skating, but it does mean you don't need as many layers and you don't need to dress as warm. So you should come on out this Monday to the ice skating rink in Valpo and enjoy the beginning of our winter season. Do dip down to be a bit cooler than they were today, around 20. The big temperature change is going to be on Thursday. Those winds are going to be coming from the north, so it's going to feel a bit cooler as we have those cooler temperatures move into our area. If you're still on Valpo's campus, it might feel a bit gloomy for the first day of fall break. If we look outside of the sky cam right now, we see some clouds as we look to the north on campus. You can see the bottom of the clouds. It actually looks pretty cool because those clouds are associated with some rain showers that are lingering right around Valparaiso. But much of the rain is staying to the south and east of us, so we should be spared of any larger rain showers for right now. And as we do start our fall break, we do have some rain chances later tonight and into tomorrow. And after those rain chances, we have some seasonable temperatures. But before that, we're going to be talking about some cold temperatures. Let's time this out. We have some cool pockets. We have a cool pocket of air that moves down from the north. 46 in Valpo as you head out the door tomorrow morning. Now as we go throughout the day, the cool air retreats back up a bit, but it's still going to be a bit cooler. 51 in Valpo, 54 in Davenport. Now Friday into Saturday, it is going to be cool again as we have those cooler temperatures that move down. 37 in Valparaiso. You're definitely going to need a jacket if you are headed outside for tonight or even Friday. But once we get to Saturday, it's going to be a lot more seasonable at 58 in Valpo, right where we should be at this time of year. Now, along with these cooler temperatures, which are associated with the winds coming from the north, we have some rain chances as they come across the lake. Now, this is going to be on and off showers that we may see. All depends where the winds are coming from. Some of the rain showers may stay to our east a bit more. That's going to be for Friday, but Saturday looks to be mainly clear. Could see a few clouds overhead for Saturday and also Sunday. Going to be a gorgeous weekend, but it is going to be a bit breezy. If you are wearing any hats, you're definitely going to want to hold on to those. Overnight it's going to be not as windy, but for much of the day tomorrow we're going to have breezy conditions around 20 miles per hour. Might make you feel a bit cooler outside as well. So for tonight you are going to need a jacket. It's going to be a low of 44 and the rain chances are later in the evening. Tomorrow is going to feel a bit cooler than it has the past few days, and the rain chances are going to remain earlier in the day. Now, once those rain chances and cooler temperatures end for tomorrow, we have those temperatures that rise back up to be much more seasonable for this time of year. This weekend seems to be quite gorgeous outside. Go outside and enjoy it. And if you're headed back to campus on Sunday, it seems to be a great day before we start classes again on Monday.